So welcome back, everyone. If you're wondering what we're doing today, we're up here at the Crofut camp. We're going up to an airplane crash site right up at the base of the mountain over there. And we're gonna take the Can-Am Defender HD 10 up, take it right up and just look the crash site over. The airplane that crashed was a Typhoon 17E. I'm not an airplane guy, so if you wanted to look that up online, just a little airplane. One guy and his dog died. But anyways, we got the family loaded up. Say hi, kids. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Stella's gonna take a run, but we're gonna take a ride up and check it out. The plane crash has been up there since July 19th, 1991. So we'll take a ride. Alright, we're almost up to the crash site. There's a tree stand Daddy sits in. There's the plane crash, see it? Come on, kids, let's go explore. Hey, here's a two-man ladder stand I use during hunting season. Come on, kids, isn't this cool? So this has been here since 1991. Quite a few years. When it first happened, the police came up here and they spray painted it orange so that the crash site didn't look so fresh. What's this here, kids? Piece of the plane. Yeah. Don't be afraid to break down in. Check it out. Pretty cool. What's this? This must be the main part of it, isn't it?
Where's this spinning thing?
The propeller? What's this? The something, I don't know. Not really sure. Yeah, random pieces of airplane hanging around in here. Pretty old. Oh, kids, check this out. This is the airplane battery.
It flew all the way over here.
Yep. There's the airplane battery right there. 1991.
Cool.
Yeah. You think so?
It's pretty rusty.
Yeah. Should we bring it down and maybe put it on Facebook site and see if we can sell it to another airplane? I don't think so, right? That's pretty cool. Yep.
Weird.
Let's go over here and see what we find.
Look it. It still says something on it.
Yeah, is there a date on there? Look out.
What does this say? G25.
I don't see a date on there. Pretty cool, isn't it? Let's go up through here and see what we find.
How many years ago was this?
Watch out for some pricker bushes. Valentin.
How many years ago was this? Wait, what does it say?
Valentin, that's like part of the make.
Daddy, how many years ago was this?
1991. This happened 2 months before Uncle Kobe was born.
It happened 30 years ago.
30.
Yeah, 30 years ago. 30 years ago and 4 days, that's right. Good math, Ryan. What's Lincoln doing?
He's exploring. He wants to go somewhere. Whoa, what's this piece?
Wing looks like.
This looks like a part of a wing right here. Pretty cool, isn't it?
Daddy, look at there's dirt inside.
Yeah, it's been here. It's been here for 30 years.
Come on, Stell. What you doing?
And nobody has it.
Wow, that really doesn't weigh too much. What we got up here, kids?
Is it more pieces of the wing?
Just more pieces of airplane. So what they think is that this guy had a heart attack and he did like 3 circles in the valley and then he just eventually ended up crashing
Right into here.
right into the side of the mountain, right kids? What's up here, kids?
How did you know?
Not really sure what this is, but
Daddy, how did you know it was?
some neighbors saw it crash and then Grampy had to bring the cops up here because they didn't have 4-wheel drive. What's this?
That piece
This looks
new.
Is this a seat?
Daddy, but this piece here looks new.
Not sure what this is.
How would it be a seat?
Almost looks like,
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Hey,
Hold the camera and get a good shot of this, Raylan.
oh, God.
Alright, if you know what this is, drop a comment down in the comment section. Not sure what this went to, but just random little pieces of
Plane.
airplane. Here's,
Over here.
here's some more right here.
It's a
Lincoln's not getting eaten by bugs, is he?
Could be.
It's a little plane though.
It's a little airplane.
It's not a big one.
Enough for like 2 people and a dog.
But there's only one person.
Just one person.
One dog. Yeah, one person.
Yeah,
Well,
kids.
there's
Down
a
underneath.
worm. I see a worm in there. Where? In that piece.
Oh, it's another
Oh,
piece.
yeah. Right here.
No.
Oh yeah. That's weathered.
There can be a lot of inside.
It's a long piece, whatever it is.
What's this? Just more metal.
I know.
Even more more stuff right here.
It went so far.
Right crashed right up there and came rolling down the hill.
Yep.
What is that?
Oh,
Maybe the center of the plane.
there's probably little pieces here and there everywhere around here. It's a pretty good deer hunting spot right here. Sit up in that stand. Where is it? Oh, right down there.
Right there.
Yep.
Let's tear it down.
See all the little random pieces?
Yep.
Some of it might be over in the bushes more, but this is the bulk of it.
The most of it. We can't get
Pretty
lost.
cool.
Does this guy fly out of Cambridge or where did he fly out of?
I'm not really sure where he flew out of.
Daddy, this piece here looks new.
Still looks shiny.
But it's back.
Where's
Yep.
the Stella bean?
She's over there.
Come on, Stella.
Watch the prickers. You could take a piece of this airplane into school for show and tell, Raylan.
Come on, girl.
That's the big chunk right there of the airplane.
Yeah, there's something metal over there. I don't know if that is. I peeled it out, but.
Oh, this?
Stella!
Stella!
Not sure what that is either.
Oh, is that that's not the front of
Hmm.
it? Is that the front of the plane right there?
I think that's the bulk of the plane right there.
No, like hanging up there, laying against that tree over there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Anyways, it's a really nice night for a ride, isn't it, kids? Out here in the side-by-side. What's this right here?
Is that part of the battery?
This might be the box the battery sat in. Huh. Yeah, there's some more random pieces scattered through here.
Stop! What are you doing? You didn't want
Alrighty.
Stella, careful! Come on. Let's go.
Bugs are biting, but it was a nice night for a ride. We're going to head on back down to the house. Alright, so we're on our way back to the house. Go back and get some dinner. Raylan wanted to know that when that plane crashed, if it was on the internet. I'm not even sure if there was internet back in 1991, but I thought it was kind of funny that Raylan said that. So anyways, if you guys like these videos, click like, click subscribe, and what do we say, kids? We'll see you on the next one. Everybody have a great day. Thanks.